सर तुम्ही कधीपासून त्याचं बाहेर तुमचा आणि काय केलं?
मला साधारण आता 2 ते 2.5 वर्ष झाली क्लासची. माझी पहिली सर्जरी झाल्यानंतर मी हळूहळू इथं यायला चालत. त्याच्यानंतर मॅमनी किंवा प्रज्ञा मॅमनी, मिथुन मॅमनी यांनी सगळ्यांनी खूप व्यवस्थित माझं एक्सप्लेन केलं. आणि बायोरिदम आता हे घरच्यासारखं योगा नाही. मॅम ते एवढा पर्सनल टच असतो योगा घेण्यामध्ये किंवा सगळे स्टाफचा सगळा एवढा पर्सनल टच असतो. यू फील सिक्युअर. One more thing is that we get lot of students who have come up with certain issues, surgery issues, some back issues. Back issues are there. Then some surgeries have happened, and ma'am and the entire staff is taking care of them so properly and so nicely, so they know what exactly the student wants.
I've been saying the same thing on that. I have got a major knee issue. I've had an accident on my left knee, and then it was really bad. So since I started, I think I'm with her since when she was an arm. That's been how many years? Must be 8 to 9 years that I'm with Neetal, and I'm enjoying the whole process. And I've been able to do more. I couldn't do lunges at one point and squat and all. So now I'm enjoying.
Whatever sir has said, we really look forward to, and so much passion and hard work goes into it. You don't get scared. You are ready to do the toughest of asana because you know, a man is there, so she will help us out. There is no problem.
I joined for the last 1 year. I did the Kalsubai Bhai and 5K run. Biorhythm has contributed a major part. I can certainly feel the strength and flexibility, better stamina.
मला पण असं योगा कधीच आवडला नव्हता, पण मॅमच्यामुळे येऊन इतकं ते पॅशनेट झालं की आता घरी करमतच नाही की सकाळी उठलं की पहिले योगाला जाऊ आणि दिवसभर इतकं फ्रेश. मेन म्हणजे मॅम इतकं कॉन्फिडन्स देतात की हे तू करू शकते. त्याच्यामुळे मला आतून जे इंटरनल खूप छान असं फील होतं. टोटली युअर डे इज फुल ऑफ
fun. And we come here, we go and laughing. Endless, we are, the body is good and you are happy, everything, you are happy, hormones are out.
Yes.